Okay, I'd like to talk about proportion. That's the next thing we need to cover. A proportion is basically a statement of equality, right? When we're looking at ratios, proportion will determine if they are equal to each other. Algebraically, it can be represented like this. If I've got a ratio of A over B and it equals C over D, then I can actually work out if it is proportional or not by doing something called cross multiplication. Okay, so in this particular one, what we will do is we will multiply the top of one side with the bottom of the other, and then we'll multiply the bottom of one side with the top of the other. So we will end up with wrong colour. We will end up with A multiplied by D being equal to B multiplied by C. And if these two sides do equal each other, then we can say that the original statements, back up here, were actually proportional to each other. This is probably easiest described by showing you. Okay, so we want to remember this idea of cross multiplication though. Okay, so we'll pick a different colour and we'll do one up here. Let's just say that I've got 6 over 9 and I've got another one which is 24 over 36, and I want to see if these are both proportional to each other. Once again, I will need to do some cross multiplying. I'll multiply the top and the bottom and the bottom and the top. I will then rewrite this as 6 times 36 equal to 9 times 24. So 6 times 36 will equal 216. 9 times 24 happens to equal the same. And so I can say that the two ratios that I started with are actually equivalent, that they're equal to each other. So proportional statements of ratios, that's what we just showed with this cross multiplication. Okay?